This is my refrigerator, Amana. I think right now it's not working. So the refrigerator part is not cooling, but the freezing part is working properly. So I put a temperature meter here, so it's like 70, but I think by design it should be 40 something, and I try to increase the number here to reduce the temperature, but it's still not cooling. So I can see some motor working because I can hear the noise. So yeah, I'm new to the refrigerator and I have no idea how it works, but probably that's the time to dig into it. I try to search from the internet saying that if the freezer is cold, but the refrigerator is not. So there could be multiple reasons why it's overstuffing. Obviously, it's not my case. And the condenser coil needs to be cleaned, probably. And the evaporator fan motor issue, or some like thermistor failure, or the defrost system failure. So I don't know what's going to happen, but probably it's the time for me to dig into it. So this is the back button cover. I try to uninstall it and connect the power. So looks like there's a fan here which is working, and I can hear some noise. Probably it's the condenser that is actually working properly, but I have no idea which component is what. So after I cut off the power for this refrigerator for the whole night, I think things go back to normal now. There's supposed to be water melt from ice on the floor, but I cleaned them up already. So if we open it, we will look at the fridge part. The temperature meter shows it's like a 40 already, which is normal. And the freezer part is also good. I can feel. Everything here is with a good temperature. So that's the way I fix it, and it's a very engineering way, a little funny, but hope this can help you as well.